All right, so this is the Honda HRR216VKA. I received it in the mail today. It's 103 pounds and it's shipped here from California, and I'm in Ohio. No idea how that got me in the free shipping category, but anyway, free shipping from the website where I bought it from, and here it is, all 103 pounds of it. I have never purchased a lawnmower online. In fact, I've never purchased a new lawnmower myself, so I'm very eager to get this open and see what is inside. So I am a total newbie at this. I just read a bunch of reviews that indicated that the Honda, this model, was very good. I found a good price for it on the website that I bought it from, and so I went ahead and purchased it there. When you think about a lawnmower coming in a box, you think, boy, there's going to be a lot of assembly there, but it might not be that bad. So here we have some 10W30 oil for the engine. So it comes with the oil, which is something that I did read online before I bought this. It's got the owner's manual there with the model number. Looks like this is the bag for bagging your clippings. Okay, and here's the frame. Looks like the frame is for the bag. So there's the engine. I think all we're gonna have to do here maybe is, see, there's some hinges on that handle there, so we'll probably just have to pull that up. So all I've done is remove the plastic. We'll leave that cardboard on there. I'm just pulling this up. And that bar seems to be pretty much snapping into place. Actually, I'm twisting these a little bit. There's a little pin that's coming out there. So there's some little plastic pegs in here. You just pull those, and then that bar, that is snapped good and into place there. You can see the handle here just snapped into place. There's just these plastic catches right here. You just pull those out. All I did was pull out on those. Kind of see how that works. Just pull out on it and then pull the bar forward into place. And then I just took my box cutter to the box. I'm gonna push this mower out. We've got my dog, who is thoroughly inspecting the product. How's the quality, Oliver? Good quality? Just gonna pull these pieces off that are just there for shipping. We have a warning label here that says engine has no oil. Add oil before starting the engine. Tremendous piece of advice that will probably save you from destroying your $389 investment. I'm going to go ahead and guess the oil goes in the oil area. So that's just right here. We're just going to pull this out. See, it's brand new. Look at that, all shiny. Just gonna put this oil in here. dipstick in. Screw that on. The oil's in there. Let's check now. Make sure that our level is appropriate. And I can see that the oil is way up the dipstick. Plenty of oil. So we're good. Next it's telling me to assemble the grass bag. So let's do that. Okay, well that bag assembly wasn't super easy, but it wasn't that hard. So then you just put it on like that. All right, so that's all good and done. I'm thinking we need some gasoline. Fortunately, I have some of that here. It is important to note that the oil is the only liquid that the item ships with. Smartly, they did not ship this with gasoline. Alright, let's see here. This is we got 2.5 gallons of gas in here, so let's see how much we get. What do you think, Ollie? Everything up to your standards? Alright, we are full. Looks like it holds about a gallon. I would have to check the manual. Might not even be a gallon. Might be a half a gallon. You can see we have a fuel regulator. So that indicates if you turn it east-west that it's going to supply fuel to the engine. If you turn it north-south, it's not going to supply fuel to the engine. So I just turned it north-south, so that would not be supplying fuel. East-west, well, that would be supplying fuel. On this side, you can see an oversized handle. It indicates whether you want to be in bag mode or molten mode. Just a little thing you push in there. Should we give it a pull?
Yeah.
All right, can you stand over here, please? Thank you, buddy. All right, we're gonna give it a pull.